Good afternoon. My name is Jorman Correa. I'm 32 years old and I'm from La Unión, Antioquia. I live with my family in a farm in the mountains. In my family, there are 6 people: my grandmother, my mother, 3 aunts, and me. My grandmother is 94 years old. She is an old woman, but her mind is very young. My mother and my aunts are middle-aged. We are farmers. Every day we work in the farm taking care of the domestic animals. In the farm there are cows, horses, chickens, rabbits, and hens. There are also different plants: corn, potatoes, tomatoes, different vegetables, and blackberries. I love to work in the farm. Now I'm studying the agronomy program at the university. In my, in my last vacation, I was in the National Coffee Park in Quindío. That place was very nice. The day was very sunny and hot. I was with my friends riding a horse, and I came to learn different things about the coffee culture. In the future, I would like to travel around the world. I would like to know another countries like Canada, United States, or France. I need to get enough money because the airlines tickets are very expensive, and I need to learn uh, English and French. Thank you.